Guys, just look at this wig. Just look at this beauty. The thing about this wig is that you can style it three different ways. If you don't want to make it center pattern, you can as well make it side pattern, either to the left or to the right. Like you can style it anyhow you want, and you don't need any installation. You don't need any damn gum or whatever to install it. Just put on your wig, go wherever place you want to go. You want to go for a dinner date, party or whatever. Just go, come back and remove it. Then wear it another day if you feel like. Okay, you can side part it, you can center part it, anything you want, either to the left or to the right. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is the first time you're coming by my channel, please consider subscribing. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. You guys are the real VIP. Thank you for the support and for the love. So to start with this wig, these are the materials we need. We need our dome cap, ventilated closure, we need a needle and thread, then we need our braiding hair. I'm using color a common green. Okay, we need a dummy. Okay, so the first thing now is for us to place this dummy, sorry, the mesh cap on our dummy. Okay, like just have to place it on the dummy, then go ahead and bring your ventilated closure. If you don't know how I make this closure, okay, I'll link a video to this, how I was able to achieve that, okay, on this particular video. Check the description of this video, you see it. So I have to rightly secure the closure on the dome cap. All right, don't make mistake while doing this. Just rightly place it very well. Okay, everywhere should be flat when you are done placing it. So when I'm done, this is what we cut. Now I'll go ahead and use my needle and thread now, okay, to start sewing it. First of all, I started right from the dome cap to the lace, then from the lace to the dome cap 2 times, then I'll move forward, like I'll start sewing down the lace normally. Okay, so I'll just continue like this till I sew the whole thing round. Please do not give much space when you are doing this, okay, so that you don't have, maybe in the process of trying to put on your wig and the closure will lose. Okay, so do not give too much space. And when I'm done, this is what we got. So we have this process done, our closure rightly placed on the dome cap. So the next thing now, I'll go with my measuring tape. Okay, I'll use my secure pin to just hold the measuring tape the beginning there. So I'll make use of, you can use anything that will be able for you to give a mark. So I'll be using this concealer to just mark 1 inch size. You can use metallic pen. I'm making use of this concealer. Don't mind me that have concealer. I'm not even using, I don't even know how to. Makeup is done by tape, but I'm trying to learn how to do it. I'm seriously practicing. So just mark 1 inch, and when you get close to the closure, then you mark just an inch. So the next thing is for you to use your whatever thing you're using to mark to then indicate it round. See what I'm doing, just follow what I'm doing. I still have to do this. The importance of this is that it will guide you, okay, it will guide you when you are in the process of making this wig. I'm done marking it round. This is what we got. So let's move back to the next process. So I've done the first, second, and the third line. Okay, so I'll show you guys exactly what I was saying. First of all, going with your crochet pin, making use of this big crochet pin, crochet little amount of the hair, then bring the one, another one, and then gently place it like that. Just watch what I'm doing. And remember, the amount of braiding hair you pick depends on the size of the braid that you want. If you want a bigger size, it means you have to increase the volume of the braiding hair you are picking. And this is how I add extra extension to get my desired length. The reason why I do add it this way so that the place will not be visible. I mean the place I joined the extra one. I'm making use of cotton 3, guys. I'm making use of cotton 3, but you can make use of cotton 2 or cotton 4. I prefer making use of cotton 3 whenever I'm doing a longer version of wig. Then I can now add to get my desired length. I don't know why I prefer make cotton 3 and then keep adding than cotton 2, because cotton 2 I think sometimes you do give wahala in terms of combing and tangling and others. So I prefer cotton 3, but do what suits you. Okay, this is simply what I'm doing. I crochet my pin, pick little amount and crochet it. Okay, when I do this, then I'll bring another braiding hair and holding the one I crochet as one, I place the other one on top of it, and then I'll braid. Okay, making it 3, then I'll start braiding. Just watch what I'm doing. You understand? This is actually the easiest way to do crochet wig. Okay, you see how neat it's looking, and if you notice, I'm not giving so much space. So now I'm done with the back side and I've done part of the front. So I just divided the front, the closure into 2 equal parts. Then each of the 2 I divided it into 3 lines, and these lines, each of them have 7 bosses. But do yours according to what you want. According to, if you want a bigger boss, then you should know how you pack it. And please, the closure I'm making use of is 5x6 closure. Okay, that is the size, 5x6 closure. So I just have to part that into 2, because I'm done with 1, so it's remaining just 2 lines. I mean, for the other side, I'm done with the other side already. So let me just show you guys exactly what I did. I part, give it a clean part. And guys, if you notice, I'm not making use of hair wax here. My reason is that the texture of the hair I used to ventilate the closure was kind of difficult for me to grip it. So applying hair wax on it will make it more difficult. So that's why I'm not making use of hair wax, but I make sure that my pattern is neatly done. But if you're making use of attachments, okay, not human hair or human hair that you can easily grip without any difficulty, you can use hair wax. But this one was kind of difficult because of the texture, so I don't need to use any hair wax. Using hair wax will make it more difficult. Okay, so if you know you've followed me to this point and you've not hit the like button, you've not followed my page, you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please consider doing that. If you have any question, go ahead and let me know in the comment section. So guys, this is simply what I did. I gave it a clean part. Okay, when I'm done parting, I will divide the hair into 3 equal parts and then I braid it this way. Okay, just the normal way you do boss braid. I braid it like 2 times, then make sure it's tight. Like I said, make sure the base is tight. Then I start adding the extra extension. Okay, if you notice, when I add, I leave one behind, one part of the attachment behind, and then add it later. Okay, this is how to do a knotless boss braid. So I keep adding till I get to the width I want and also the length. Okay, so I divide the hair into 3, placing my hand that way. I braid 2 times, making sure the base is enough, like it's very tight. Then I go ahead and add my braiding hair. Okay, that's just how to do the knotless braid, guys. I keep adding like that. So guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please consider subscribing. I make videos on how to braid, okay? How to make your own hair yourself, how to ventilate closures, frontals, full, how to make braided wigs, okay? How to learn. If you follow my channel, definitely, if you're interested in learning these crafts, you don't have any excuse, because I have virtually videos on everything concerning ventilation. So if you are yet to subscribe, consider hitting the subscribe button, and the next thing you will do after hitting the subscribe button is just to turn on the notification bell, so that once I upload new videos, you'll get notified. And this is it when I'm done. Look at this, looking so full. It's very full. Just look at this, guys. Look at this, very beautiful. The next thing I'm going to do, if you notice how I did the back, I make sure the back is well covered, and this is the length. So the next thing I'm going to do now is for us to just trim the hair. Okay, you have to trim it one after the other. Okay, do not rush it. Take your time and give it a nice trimming, because trimming actually adds to the beauty of hair, either wig or woman hair. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and trim this one after the other, and please make sure your scissors is sharp. Okay, it's sharp enough. So I'll just go ahead and trim this one after the other, and when I'm done, I'll just apply hot water on it by dipping it inside a bowl of hot water, making sure every part of it is touched by the water, and taking note of the downside. I mean the tip, make sure the tip is well straightened. And after everything, I'll allow it to dry. After drying, and this is what we have, guys. Just look at this. Look at this. No installation needed. Do this, wear your wig, go out there, come back and remove it. Now you can pack it anyhow you want. You can decide to just leave it this way. You can as well decide to pack it. Okay, using a band, you can just feel free to do however you want it, style it anyhow you want it. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my videos, for always supporting, liking. Okay, for those sharing my videos, I appreciate you guys very well. Please keep sharing my videos. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Okay, and again, if you'll be interested in joining my hair ventilation class, it's an online class, guys, where you have one-on-one class with me online. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching once again, and see you guys in my next upload. I love you.